10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40, 2 right, 200 up mid, care ahead to turn 2 left at lane, the one that we marked is deceptive. We're going 2 left here, that's it, go, go, that's it. And 5 right over crest bump, 130 up mid, 5 left into 6 right, 60 up mid, tight 3 left, 40, keep left over crest, 60 slowing, hairpin left, deceptive, caution, hairpin right, that's it, and 2 left long, into 1 right tight long, and turn hairpin left, rough inside, don't cut, into 5 right, and turn 1 right round the island, round the bail, hairpin square left, 80, 6 right, 40, 4 left, continues for 80 but tightens into a 1 left, 5 right on exit, 40, 3 left, and 5 left, 4 right, and 6 right over bumps, 80, small crest, 100 down, 6 right, slippy maybe, 150, caution 3 left long, tightens through dip. So 3 left long, tightens through dip. 60, slippy, caution 2 left. Caution 2 left, 40, hairpin right. 60, 5 right at the lane, and 6 left over small crest, 80 down to don't cut, 4 right long, tightens through dip, 40,
4 right,
yep, 3 right long, tightens, so 40, 3 right long, tightens, 100, small crest, into 5 left, 100, slowing, caution 7 left into tight 2 right, you can see it ahead there. 40, 1 left long, into 2 right, into 6 right. 40, 5 left, 60, caution, 4 right long, slowing over small crest, and downhill, hairpin left. And 5 right over small crest, 60, caution 3 right, opens for 60, continues, and then tightens on exit, keep middle over small crest, and 2 right camber. 60, keep left over small crest, 200 up mid, slippy, caution 3 left, tightens over crest. You'll see it there, that's it, next one, 3 left, tightens over crest. 150 down mid, to logs, 5 left over small crest, 40, 5, so 40, 5 right into 3 left slippy, and caution 2 right slippy tightens. 80, 3 right long tightens, 200 over the finish, big push, and we're done. Well done.